We are redoing some of our older videos for want of better clarity and content and vastly improved capabilities of our channel so far as video graphics is concerned. Today I am re-looking at the types of diabetes. Before I get into that types subject, first thing we need to do is look at what is diabetes. So when a person begins to get metabolically challenged, the blood sugar or blood glucose of that person is elevated, and he comes into a phase which some people define as pre-diabetes or borderline, or the ideal term would be glucose intolerant. A person remains glucose intolerant for almost a decade before the full-blown diabetic version strikes him. So basically, in the very basic sense, there are two types of diabetes. One is the metabolic version, which is I call the metabolic version is type 2, and the other one is the type 1, which is a purely autoimmune condition where your own autoimmune system is attacking parts of your body and causing the blood glucose rise. Now let's look very briefly into all the classifications. The first one I want to talk to you about is gestational diabetes or GD. This attacks about 8% of pregnant women when they are carrying their child, and they suddenly see a rise in their blood glucose levels. Because they are carrying another living, growing person within them, it is not advisable that this condition be treated with oral drugs, and most of the time injected insulin is relied upon. Then the more common type of diabetes is the type 2 diabetes that everybody knows of. This is something which happens to people usually when they are mature, so meaning at around or above the age of 35 onwards. So the type 2 diabetes is basically a rise in your blood glucose. There are many causes for that. Either you could be not producing sufficient insulin to handle your food, or B, you might be producing insulin but you have become insulin resistant, and therefore your cells are not able to accept the circulating insulin along with the glucose, and therefore the glucose remains elevated. Most of the time this is a combination of both the things. So you are A, producing lesser insulin, and B, not able to handle your circulating insulin. That's basically type 2 for you. We'll go into details of different scenarios in this in a much later video. Then there is the type 1, pure type 1 that we talked about, which is known as juvenile diabetes. Juvenile because this usually affects children around or between the age or before the age of 10. Science really has no answers what happens and why it happens, but it is understood that the child gets some kind of a bacterial viral attack, and the autoimmune system, in attacking the invading bacteria, also mistakenly attacks the pancreatic cells, beta cells, which secrete insulin, and therefore this, since it's an autoimmune condition, is an ongoing process throughout life, and the person becomes diabetic for life or until science has or medicine has some answers to this condition. There are some newer varieties of diabetes, and these are very important. Very few people know about them in India. The first one is known as LADA. These are both classified as type 1.5 because they fall between type 1 and type 2. So LADA is latent autoimmune diabetes in adulthood, which means type 1 striking a person not when they are juvenile but much later in life. And the second 1.5 type is known as MODY, M-O-D-Y, mature onset diabetes in the young, which means that the type 2 striking people when they are younger rather than when they are mature. Hopefully we've added some value to the information that you already had and some clarity, and you would have enjoyed these videos. Please do share, subscribe and like us. Thank you.